to.
Hot, it's hot.
And the money is in your account within minutes. Plus, you can pay it off in up to 6 months with 20 installments.
Queer Eye.
Kumain ka diyan.
The TV.
So, kaya isang masarap magbigay. Hindi na nalutong kami. Oo. Ay, naku, ito ilalabas ko na isang
Why are you eating?
napamahal ko yun.
Nakatab na kayo, naka-TV pa.
Hindi po si Rai.
Kaya no, pakainin mo nga ito ng tinapay. Makaamang. Umubra kaya.
Can I
Sabi ko
borrow?
sa'yo, isang beses ka magpunta ka ng
Because I
save mo.
cannot.
Sa taas. Japan na.
Ay, topo. Ang galing. Kasama na sa pack nila yung ano, chili sauce.
Like this. I didn't eat yet. Girl. It's so hard.
Eh!
Sino yun?
Rice mo dyan.
Eh, saan yung tumigil ng anak mo eh? Ang tigas mo yung ano eh. Right!
I'll just get some
Meron
water
ka
for us.
Mm.
Lagyan mo.
Ito. Ay, isang buo lalagay ko.
Bakit ang buungang yan?
Ang galing, kasama na lang sa kanila yung lalagyan. Hindi
Dati
na,
wala no? Nagkakaroon na sila siyempre.
naka-plastic yun. Saan ba banda to? Hindi ko makakita sa bayan. Nanang.
Bago makalagpas ng ano.
Ng variety?
Yung gold.
Eh, dun lang, bago mag-save more.
Yeah, maliit na ano, space lang siya.
Oh, kaya,
Dalawa ang ramen.
kaya pala di ko makita. Mali ako pinaghahanapan.
Ray, ano ba, Ray?
Palagay doon.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot. Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig
You didn't let me eat.
Bakit ko...
Gantong pag-inom ng tubig. Ganto.
Chloe is a very clever parrot.
Hey, can I borrow your ano para maano ko yung noodles? Tagalog o yun? English. Ganto. Buti naman dito eh. Paano? Ay, paano? Amber, paano ba? Paano tulungan mo kayo? Two, one here. Second one here. Okay. Two, one here. Second one here.
There's one.
Here.
This is enormous.
This puzzle is not money.
That's because it's got leaves and twigs in it. Twigs and leaves in it. Tomatoes and spaghettis.
Here.
Muddy puddle? Please can we leave the table and go on the table?
Off you go then.
Hooray!
Yung pinapanood nyo.
Ever enjoy
Pangit eh.
Meme, ano?
700 lang binigay. Wala.
this is
Napapatawa
Granny
naman ako sa iyo eh.
Eh, Kuya Rai.
M20 yun, ma.
Pig. Mr. Rabbit and Mrs. Cat
Asa na si Taba? Ay, nawala, umalis.
This is
Parang limis nga siomay nila. Ano na yung gunting?
Ito, di na pantay.
Ay, baka maangang yan ha.
Wala. Hindi, kaya ginamit ko lang sa tape. Hindi pantay.
My job is all about numbers. I think very important.
Bakit kulat yung siomay? Hindi na riban.
I take very important rubber stamp. And I take very important piece of
Sorry
paper.
lang ito. Mag-rice.
Aalis ka na dyan. Si Ma.
Then I draw a shape on the computer. And here's another shape on the computer.
Drink your water, too.
Was Susie my friend in the olden days?
Ano?
You and Susie
Uminom kang
have always
tubig.
been best friends.
Okay lang yan.
Ah, sarap.
Amber, huwag mo masyadong higop na sabaw.
Akin yung sabaw, sa'yo noodles.
Noodles lang.
You were babies.
Noodles.
And walk.
Mantay ka.
Do.
Magtira kayo, oy.
Hindi para sa inyo lahat yan.
Yung noodles. Siyempre, kakain din kami Kuya JC.
Going on holiday. They have packed in their bags. You can't
Okay na po yun.
But we need to take all our toys, Daddy.
I don't care.
Alice, please. Alice, please.
Okay.
Nalasa na ito.
Oh my God.
Mummy Pig is packing a big bag for the
Hmm,
holiday.
pwede.
How about soup, a little?
What a mummy pig.
Ang dami kong soup yun.
May kasama ng ano.
Stop.
Bukod na yung, ay hindi siya, like, magkasama na yung parang chili powder tsaka
I
yung
will
oil.
just put more water.
Ready to halo na sa ano.
And I eat a lot of noodles.
Say, I'm going on holiday. Oh.
Huh?
Where are you?
It is Mr. Bull in his taxi.
Peppa Pig yan, Peppa Meme.
Heavy? Are you sure you need it?
Eh,
Mega YTP? Ano yun?
ewan ko, kaya nanonood.
Mr. Bull?
Daddy. Tickets, please. Here they are. Any prize? Here they are. Any tickets? Here they are. Any prize?
Yes. This one's afraid I'm a bit heavy.
Don't worry. Just pop it on the scale. Anything valuable in it?
No.
Any more? Here they are.
Nasaan pa ba?
Anything valuable in it?
No.
This is the X-ray
Tama
machine.
yan.
What's this?
This
Sabi
is
ko
the
nga,
X-ray
dito
machine.
ko. Dito. Yung ano, haharap ka dito na.
Circles are perfect, unbroken, infinite. Each one speaks of precision. Three of them can blend to deliver form and power in perfect harmony. A new generation of graphics emerges, crafted to capture and channel spectacular performance. In a symphony of creativity and
Kuya Rai, the TV. It's
It's
broken. Kuya Rai, can you please press the OK remote?
Kumain ka. Maintindihin yung remote na yan.
With three familiar, perfect circles.
Bakit lumiit na to, Ella?
Technology.
Nag-shrink.
Introducing the RTX 50 series by
Tsaka bakit hindi rebanded ngayon?
Oh, di ba? Sabi siya kumulat, di ba? Hapde!
Ano ang gawa mo?
Hindi, yung subo ko na ng kutsara, galing chili oil. Sakit eh. Tama lang yan.
Nanda ko Pepito.
Yan.
Ay,
Yung kamay mo.
Sophia Puck of Alan and Sa.
Lalaki ba ako? Boy?
Wala.
Yan, nagsabutan na kayo.
Amber mo ng tubig. Tama na yan, ha? Kakain ako. Ma, pula ng Mega. Mega.
Lolo, Bayani ng Bayan. Channel 20, 8 p.m. sa GMA Plus.
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Oo, laglag sa 4.5, oh.
Hindi kaya. Sa'yo pero mainit ka.
Hindi ko naman siguro i-deny na 24/7 siya nasa isip ko. Ang dami palang tao adik sa love dahil kumaguro na daw ang mundo. Yun na daw ang gagawin nila. Magmamahal sila.
24/7 is love. Bingo Blue Ian sa GMA.
Scattered na kayo.
I'm never eating the sabaw. Bye. Hot. I'm gonna die.
Yun na yun, 100 lang. Sa 4.5.
I'm never gonna do this again. Oh.
Yan, nagawa ng juice.
Busog po eh.
Tama na.
Hindi ka na kanin? Kanin?